Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about hallucinations in schizophrenia are characterized by all of the following except hallucinations are commanding and controlling the action of patient. True. Hallucinations of voices and singing songs. True. Hallucinations commenting on action of the patient. True. Hallucinations are almost always continuous. False. Actually, hallucinations in most of the times they will be episodic. They won't be always almost continuous is false. Thank you and thank you for watching.